Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. As you may be aware, Chennai has been affected by a recent cyclone, causing damage to ongoing metro rail line construction. Today, I bring you an update from Kovilambakkam, specifically focusing on the road conditions. There have been rumors circulating about waterlogging blocking the Kovilambakkam road, but the recent footage shared here contradicts those claims. It has come to my attention that several auto and cab drivers are exploiting the situation by charging exorbitant amounts, falsely claiming that waterlogging persists in the area. This is an attempt to deceive people and overcharge for transportation. I urge you all to stay informed and share this update with your friends and family, enabling them to understand the current situation on the main road in Kovilambakkam. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your valuable and kind support is always appreciated. Stay safe and take care, my friends.